Let's look at these JAMB past questions biology 2018. Question number 31. In the transverse section of the leaf of maize, vascular bundles are arranged in A row, B one cycle, C alternate positions, D two cycles. So how do you arrange, or how is vascular bundles, how are vascular bundles arranged in the leaf of a maize, in particular the transverse section? How are they arranged in the leaf of a maize? Now, from the diagrams of the vascular bundle of a maize, we find out that they are arranged in one circle, knowing fully well that maize is a monocot plant, so it appears to have the vascular bundle arranged in one circle. So for a maize which is a monocot, we have the vascular bundle arranged in one cycle. So that is how you do that is how the arrangement is done. That is the transverse section of the leaf of a maize. The vascular bundles are arranged in one cycle. So option number B is the right answer. This you can see under transport system in plants. If you check the transport system in plants, you'll be able to see this. So the right option is B. Thank you.